Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and then we'll end it with Dogecoin at number 10. Let's get straight into it. BTC against USD. So what's been happening in the past week? It's a green candlestick. I don't know what's going to happen this week, but I think there should be some sort of a retrace, right? There is some resistance coming up at around 39k. Just shy of breaking 40k. So again, I also still think that we're kind of overheated. We're pretty overbought, so there should be some sort of a pullback, and I think the pullback is just not too far away. Is it going to come today, this week, next week, or is it going to come only in December? But again, we're severely overbought, so there should be some sort of a retracement. So we're expecting that retracement to come eventually. But as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with the bullish bias for Bitcoin and everyone else as well in the world of crypto. Ethereum against BTC. Here we are for BTC. It seems that the support is holding at the moment. Are we going to continue all the way back up, complete the wave D, or are we going to continue dropping lower for BTC? Again, I'm not too sure. This is an A, up for a B, down for a C. Are we going to get a D, E, and continue higher for BTC? Again, we're not entirely sure. But I would assume that this would be the best bullish case scenario, right? But the bearish case scenario is we drop lower, take out these lows, and we form, again, another bigger squeeze over here, right? If this does happen, again, we'll cross the bridge when it comes, but you should keep at the back of your mind the possibility of that happening. But again, I would love it if it could go higher. But yeah, we have to take things one step at a time for Ethereum against USD. Hey, yo, bro. Where's Ethereum USD? Ethereum against USD. Yep, kind of above the. It's not textbook perfect. Left shoulder, head. Where's the right shoulder? This is a small right shoulder. Yes? I don't know. Yeah, I don't really like this kind of moves. It's not exactly what you would call an inverse head and shoulders, but there is a clear resistance over here. We broke through the resistance, and right now we are in a pullback. There is a pullback at the moment. We are hoping to get some sort of a consolidation going for Ethereum as it continues higher. And we have a target fresh out of the oven at 2,677. But at the same time, our target over here at 66 still remains, which means that we're still open to the possibility of something going very, very wrong with Ethereum. I don't think so. I honestly don't think so. But again, until we take out the right shoulder over here, right, of the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, of the head and shoulders over here, until we take out the right shoulder, this target will remain on the charts. So yeah, there we go. But for the short medium term, there is a target over here at 2677. Right, so we're anticipating bullish continuation for Ethereum. If Ethereum continues higher to 2677, very likely we're going to see it being reflected on the BTC pair. We're probably going to get a wave D. Ooh, the big D. BNB against BTC. Here we are for BNB. We've already broken support. Things are still very weak for BNB BTC. No clear signs of a bullish reversal yet. Again, there's a noisy area over here, so there'll be tremendous support as we head towards 5,000 or 6,006. So it's just a little bit more towards 5,000. However, on BNB against USDT, there is a potential that we could be breaking back above the skinny pink line for real, for good, and as we head higher. Right, what's happening at the moment is I suspect we could be getting something like an ascending triangle kind of a chart pattern. Right now we're in some sort of a very controlled type of a retrace. So the best thing that could happen is we do this ascending triangle. Boom! BNB goes towards the moon. This will be the best thing. But I just don't see it yet, right? So we don't have much information for BNB at the moment because at the same time, there's also a huge potential descending triangle over here. Mountain 1, Mountain 2. If we come back all the way back down towards the support, then this will be Mountain 3 as we head towards our two targets at 122 and 173. At what point will we consider these two targets being invalidated? Yeah, take out the right shoulder. Same thing. Just take out the right shoulder. That's it. Let's say we move on from the bearish bias. But again, if you were to wait until that happens, it will be late, right? So we are hoping for some sign of a clearer bullish reversal over here. So that's why I was anticipating maybe an ascending might appear over here, right under the nose of the skinny pink line, and then we break out from here. Best bullish case for BNB. But again, we have to see what happens for BNB. XRP! What's up, Brad? So for XRP against BTC, again, very huge accumulation that's been happening since 2020. Right, we've been in accumulation since 2020. We're still anticipating the possibility of these 2 lows being taken out, and also these 3 lows over here. So there is risk. There's risk, boys and girls. So we could just zip down, zoop, sweep everybody, head towards the support area over here, and then we push back higher. Something like this could happen for XRP against BTC, right? But at this point of time, yeah, again, we're still not entirely sure. We are not entirely sure. We actually zip above the skinny pink line, right? Way back in July, and we could have stayed above it, but we didn't. We got slapped all the way back down, and it's like, things are still weak for XRP BTC against USD. So this is XRP USD. We're saying very likely, once you take out this particular mountain, we actually did. We actually took out the highs of this mountain. So we're anticipating the possibility of XRP continuing its bullish move towards the upside, right? But again, we are aware that there are clusters of stop sells over here. So there is danger that we could just come down, sweep everybody's stop sells, and then push the price higher. Right, something like this could happen. So like previously, before the halving, there's this thing called the pre-halving scare. So the pre-halving scare could happen this time as well, right? So you got to be very, very, very vigilant. The best thing that could happen is we get a squeeze over here, like what we did over here. Do you see this? Very nice squeeze that came, and then we broke out. So if we get a squeeze over here, woohoo! Merry Christmas! And then we could be going higher for XRP. Absolutely beautiful if it happened, right? But again, we're not entirely sure, so we have to take things one step at a time for XRP. Solana against BTC. Here we are for Solana. So Solana is on its way against BTC to take out the right shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We were anticipating 2000, but we're already above the skinny pink line. Far, 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 pulling away from the skinny pink line. So I would assume that the bullish trend is already on for Solana against BTC. And more likely than not, these targets are going to be taken out once we take out the right shoulder. So we are switching bullish for Solana BTC. I know it's not out yet, but it's not taken out yet. But for the USD pair, it's already taken out. Right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We've already taken out the top of the right shoulder. So in my opinion, I think it's gone. Ta-da! So more upside to be expected for Solana. Any clear signs of a high quality tradable chart pattern? No. I don't see the chart pattern for Solana. Again, you can argue that this is a symmetrical triangle. Sure, you can argue, but it's not textbook perfect. A, B, C, D, E. It's very ugly. Very ugly. But again, it's still bullish. Right? It's already bullish. So we're anticipating a retracement and then hopefully a continuation towards the upside for Solana USD. Right? You don't jump into a trade when things are overbought. If you anything, you make a move when Solana is down, not when Solana is up. This is not where you want to be making moves. So there you go. That's our take for Solana. We've already taken out the right shoulder. So if we take it out on the USD pair, very likely we're going to see it reflected on the BTC pair as well. So that's why we are going to assume Solana is already in a bullish trend. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we will assume that the trend is already confirmed to be bullish. Cardano, even Cardano is about to flip bullish, not yet, but flip bullish. But to be honest, Cardano's BTC pair is the most beautiful, high potential completion that I have ever seen. So I think Charles could be doing something behind the scenes. I don't know what's happening behind Cardano, but I think something magical could be about to happen. Huge, absolutely huge breakout. We were expecting a huge breakout for ADA eventually, right? We took out the right shoulders over here. You see this? Always look out for the right shoulder being taken out. Once it's taken out, that's it. We flip to a bullish trend, right? We're gonna just remove all of this. So we're gonna we were anticipating 76 to be taken out, but I didn't, and so here we are now. And we're gonna monitor the skinny pink line, right? We want to see the price go close to the skinny pink line. So my assumption is the ADA whales are actually going to take their time to accumulate big chunks of ADA. And if and when they are ready, they are going to push the price up towards the sky, up towards the moon, right? So my hope is that we get something like this, some sort of an accumulation over here for ADA BTC, right? And after that, we break the skinny pink line. And then if and when we break it, and we have a solid foundation over here, I think this is the absolute bottom for ADA BTC, right? This will be the perfect entry if this happened, right? If you see a huge, very huge break for ADA. So this will be a absolute beautiful perfect entry. But again, we'll take things one step at a time. We want to see this first, right? Before we start smoking opium. So that's how I take for ADA BTC. Still need patience, right, to get a perfect entry. ADA against USD. Yeah, we're above the skinny pink line. So the hope is that we stay above the skinny pink line. We are already in an overbought state. The last time we were in an overbought state over here. Yeah, eventually there was a correction, right? We were also overbought over here for a little while, and then there was a very deep correction that came. So again, I'm still anticipating the possibility of a pre-halving scare. What? Yeah, something like that. Again, we are not entirely sure. Our hope is that we get a very nice right shoulder over here, right? Something like an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, whole thing is a head. Get a right shoulder, stay above the skinny pink line. Pooh, we go to Valhalla. That would be great. But yeah, again, at this point of time, we're still not entirely sure. So we need to see the slowing down of ADA. Just calmly rocking back and forth, up and down by the beach. You know, like a wave, very calm waves, and then boom, suddenly, right? But yeah, I want to see that happen first, calm waves. So there you go, that's our take for ADA. Dogecoin, okay, so Dogecoin against BTC. Here we are for Dogecoin. Still no signs of life. We're still under the skinny pink line. To be honest, for the past, how many days was it? 32 days. For about, I don't know, 5 weeks. Yeah, for the past 1 month, we have just been going sideways. No clear signs of a proper reversal yet. We are aware that there is already a double bullish divergence, right? Lower low on the price, but higher low on the MACD, higher low on the RSI. Something like that. So there could be a double bullish divergence type of a reversal, but I kid you not, we can still get a triple bullish divergence. Again, we're still not entirely sure how much lower DOGE BTC is going to go. The support only will come in over here at around 100. We're 208, so this could be another 50% drop. Will it? Again, we're not sure. We're just not too sure. This could really be the bottom though, and we could be rising back for DOGE BTC. But we're still under the skinny pink line, so we remain with a bearish bias for DOGE BTC. DOGE against USD. Here we are for Dogecoin. Again, we're still aware that this could be a very big descending triangle completion as we head lower. Our 3 cents and 2 cents target still is valid, right? Sub 3 cents at 2.7 and close to 2 cents at 2.2 is still valid at this moment. And yeah, again, there could be a pre-halving scare, like I was saying, that could come over here. So yeah, we're gonna take things one step at a time. You know, if we could break convincingly towards the upside, above the skinny pink line, right? We get a very nice ascending triangle over here. Third valley, right? Valley 1, valley 2, valley 3. If we get a very nice third valley, right, in the form of a consolidation, then yeah, this could be a continuation, right? But again, if anything, we will only enter here, right? We want confirmation because we are aware that things could go very wrong over here. So yeah, but to be honest, we can also be seeing an ascending here. We could though. Again, we'll take things one step at a time. Again, if you take out all of these highs, then yeah, we'll consider this to be largely invalidated. So yeah, we're just waiting for that bullish pressure to come in, right? Bullish pressure, great. We switch bullish. If not, oh boy, we'll see how it goes, right? We shall see how it goes. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay patient. There should be a retrace. If anything, you should wait for a retrace first. Right? You don't buy Bitcoin when it's over, but wait for a retrace first. And then after that, consider it. Right, see you in the next one. Hope you guys have a great week ahead of you. Ta-da!